Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Javascript is a versatile programming language widely used for web development. In a Telugu tutorial, learners can explore the fundamentals of JavaScript, including its syntax, data types, and functions. The tutorial typically begins with an introduction to JavaScript's role in creating interactive web pages, emphasizing its client-side capabilities. It covers key concepts such as variables, operators, and control structures, enabling learners to understand how to manipulate data and implement logic in their applications. And control. As the tutorial progresses, topics like arrays and objects are introduced, allowing users to grasp how to work with collections of data. The importance of the document object model DOM in JavaScript is highlighted, showcasing how to interact with elements dynamically. Additionally, the tutorial may delve into event handling, enabling users to respond to user actions effectively. By the end, learners gain a solid foundation in JavaScript, empowering them to build engaging and responsive web applications. JavaScript tutorial in Telugu provides a comprehensive introduction to the JavaScript programming language, tailored for Telugu-speaking audiences. It covers fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, operators, and control structures, enabling learners to grasp the basics of coding. The tutorial emphasizes practical applications, encouraging users to implement interactive features on websites. Topics like functions, arrays, and objects are explored to help learners understand how to manipulate data effectively. Additionally, the tutorial highlights the importance of the document object model DOM and how JavaScript interacts with ATMA and acts to create dynamic web pages. With engaging explanations and relatable examples, the tutorial aims to build a solid foundation for beginners. It also encourages further exploration of advanced topics, such as asynchronous programming and frameworks, to enhance skills and employability in the tech industry. Overall, this resource serves as a valuable starting point for anyone interested in learning JavaScript in Telugu.